how to add a client store credit in Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Shopify account. After that, go to customers from the main menu. Then select the customer you want to add the store credit to. Over here on the right hand side, click on edit balance under the store credit section. Then choose whether you want to add a credit or a debit. After that, enter the amount and set your desired currency. Then, if you want to add an expiration date, select it here. If not, leave it as no expiration. Over here, click on Review Changes. Then, confirm by clicking Credit. After that, you will see the credit added in the activity log. Then, refresh the page to view the updated credit balance. Over here, you can click on the store credit amount to view the balance details. Then you can also edit the balance again or add more credits from this page. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.